Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today it is December 5th and I'm going to be going into CVS to show you the best CVS deals for the week of September 5th through September 11th. And this week we have great moneymaker deals on a lot of cosmetic products, and then we also just have some excellent, really hot deals on shampoo and some laundry care deals as well. So I'm excited for these deals today. I'm excited to get back into things after the holidays, and I'm going to be consistently posting every single week going forward. So thank you guys so much for tuning in again, and don't forget to drop down in the description box down below to sign up for any of the rebate apps you're not already signed up for. All of my links will be in the description box down below, which will all give you bonuses that you otherwise wouldn't get if you sign up without my link. And also I'm going to link the new printable coupons in the first link down below so you can print all of those as well. Let's get into the deals of the week and let's see what we can get for free or cheap. Hit that first link down below to print the chic printable coupons that just came out today. Those are super hot and they will make for free razors at CVS in the upcoming weeks. We also got printable versions of the Covergirl coupons and Colgate coupons. We got a high value $3 off Airwick coupon that will make the warmers free. And we also have a $3 off 2 Garnier hair care coupon that will glitch and work with the digital CVS coupon. So click that first link down below to print all these now. The first thing I'm going to be grabbing this week is one of the Covergirl Simply Ageless serums. These are $20.79 at my store, and this week Covergirl products are spend $18, get a $6 extra care buck back. So I'm going to grab one of these. I'm going to pair together a 6 off 20 and two $6 off Covergirl Simply Ageless Serum CRTs, which will give me a total of $18 off this product. I'm going to be left paying only $2.79. But then I'm going to get back a $6 extra care book for spending $18 or more on CoverGirl, and that will make this a $3.21 moneymaker. There are no printable or paper coupons that apply to these products right now, I do believe. I know in the past some of the iCoupons have attached to these products, but it sounds like right now they're not, so just a heads up on that. Check out your CVS store for clearance in the lip balm section. My store had chapstick essential oils for 75% off, and that made them only $1.49. And my store also had some Blistex hemp and shea that were 75% off, making them only $1.29 for a 2-pack. So definitely some great clearance finds in the lip balm section if your store is like mine. This week, L'Oreal Cosmetics are buy 2 get a $6 extra care buck. I'm going to grab 3 of the Color Riche lipsticks for $8.99 each, and by the way, these are really nice lipsticks. I love these. I wear them very frequently, so I'm excited to be picking some of these up. It's going to total me $26.97 for all 3. I'm going to use a 5 off 20 L'Oreal Paris Cosmetics CRT, and then I'm going to use a buy 2 get 1 free L'Oreal Cosmetic CRT. That should take off $8.99 for the price of one of the lipsticks. I'm also going to toss in the $3 instant coupon that everyone got this week. It's either off on Almay or CoverGirl or L'Oreal. So that'll take another $3 off. And then I have 2 of these $2 off 1 L'Oreal Cosmetic insert coupons that were from the 11/14 inserts. They didn't just expire, but they will still work. After all the coupons, I'm going to be left paying only $5.98, but then get back a $6 extra care buck, which will make these completely free. This week, Paparazzi nail polish are on sale for 2 for $5, and when you buy 2 of them, you're going to get back a $5 extra care buck, and that is a limit of 2. I'm going to grab 2 of them for $5. I'm going to use a 3 off 2 Paparazzi nail polish CRT. I'm going to be left paying only $2, but then I'm going to get back a $5 extra care buck, and this is going to be a $3 moneymaker. I have some great CRTs for the Differin this week. The Daily Cleanser is $10.49 regularly priced at my store, and I happen to have 2 $4 off 1 Differin CRTs that I got last week. So I'm going to stack those 2 together to give me a total of $8 off my purchase of this cleanser. Afterwards, I'm going to pay $2.49, but then I'm going to submit to Ibotta for $2 back. There's a Ibotta rebate on the cleansers. That will leave me just paying 49 cents for this different cleanser, which is really, really great. And if you're not already signed up for Ibotta, you can click the link in the description box down below to get a $20 Ibotta bonus when you sign up with my link. Again, that link is in the description box down below, or you can sign up with code ywektyq. when you sign up. Soft soap and Irish Spring body wash are on sale for $3.99 and buy one get a $2 extra care book this week. And we have 75% off one printable coupons on the Soft Soap and Irish Spring websites. If you have any Soft Soap or Irish Spring body wash CRTs, you can pair those in as well to make this an even better deal. I didn't have any Soft Soap or Irish Spring body wash CRTs this week, so I could not make this a good deal for me. But even if you just use a 75% off one printable coupon, you'll be left paying only $1.24 after getting back the $2 extra care book, which is not bad. So think about picking up this deal if you are short on body wash. There is an amazing deal on Nivea men's body wash this week. It's on sale for 2 for $8, and they're buy two get back a $4 extra care book. So when you buy the pair for 2 for $8, you're going to get $4 back. We have a $3 off 2 coupon that came out in the 11-14 insert that did expire recently. However, it will still scan at most CVS stores. After this coupon, you'll be left paying only $5, get back a $4 extra care book, and 2 of them are $1 or 50 cents each. This week, Nivea Lip Balm are buy one, get a $2 extra care book, and that's a limit of 1. The cheapest ones at my store are $3.79, so if you pick up 1, you'll get back a $2 extra care book, making them only $1.79. This week, Gold Bond Lotion is spend 20, get back a $5 extra care book. So I'm going to pick up one of the Gold Bond Lotions for $11.79. That's the 13 ounce pump. And then I'm going to be picking up one of the smaller size $8.59 Radiant Renewal tube. Total for both of these is going to come to $20.38. I'm going to use a 5 off 20 lotion CRT that I sent to my card. And then I'm going to use a buy one, get one free Gold Bond tube when you buy a pump coupon that came out in the 12.5 inserts. That will take off $8.59. I'll be left paying only $6.79 but get back a $5 extra care book, making it only $1.79 for both bottles of lotion. Make sure you guys do not forget to snap all of your receipts to the Fetch Rewards app. If you're not already signed up for the Fetch Rewards app, you can open up the description box down below and click the Fetch Rewards link down there to download the Fetch Rewards app. The Fetch Rewards app allows you to take photos of all your receipts from any store, and you'll get points back that you can redeem for gift cards. You can get a $4 bonus into your account that you can redeem for a $4 gift card when you sign up using my link down below or code 7YTUA. OGX shampoo and conditioner, buy one get one 50% off, and buy 2 get a $4 extra care book. I'm going to pick up 2 of the coconut oil shampoo and conditioner. It's going to be $14.99 for both of them at buy one get one 50% off. I'm going to use a $3 off of 12 OGX CRT as well as $2 off 1 OGX CRTs that will stack and work together. Then I'm going to use a $2 off 2 printable coupon that was available, I believe, last week. That's going to glitch and work with the $2 off 2 digital coupon. I'm going to be left paying $3.99 but get back a $4 extra care book, making both bottles of OGX completely free. Watch out for clearance waterless dry shampoo and conditioners. At my store, the cheapest one was $4.21, but it was sold out. The second cheapest was 30% off at $6.01, and I got some $5 off waterless CRTs this week. That would make it a moneymaker for the cheaper version, or pretty cheap for the ones that are even 10 to 30% off. So definitely think about grabbing one of those if you have the CRT and your store has clearance product. This week, the Oral-B single count toothbrushes are $3.99 and buy 3 get a $5 extra care book. I'm going to pick up 4 of them for $15.96. I'm going to use a 6 off 4 Oral-B CRT, and then I'm going to use a 5 off 3 digital coupon and a 2 off 1 digital coupon. I'm going to be left paying $2.96 but get back a $5 extra care book. That will make this a $2.04 moneymaker this week. This week, I'm going to be doing a spend 30, get a $10 extra care book promotion. So I'm going to be picking up 2 of the Airwick Essential Oil Double Packs at $7.49, buy one get one 50% off. 2 of the Dove Men Plus Care Deodorant, $7.49, buy one get one 50% off. And 2 of the Axe deodorants at $7.99, buy one get one 50% off. My total for all 6 items is going to come to $34.47. I'm first going to use a $3 off Axe CRT. Then I'm going to use 2 $2.75 off 1 Airwick coupons that were on coupons.com a couple weeks ago. I'm going to use two $3 off one Dove Men Plus Care deodorant coupons that came out in the 11-14 inserts. And then I'm going to use a $2.50 off 2 Axe printable coupon that came out a couple weeks ago, and that's going to glitch and come off with a $2 off one digital coupon for the Axe. After coupons, I'm going to be left paying $15.47, but get back a $10 extra care buck, which will make it only $5.47 for all 6 items. But then I'm going to submit to Ibotta 2 times for the Airwick for $2.75 back each. That's going to give me a total of $5.50 cash back. I'm also going to submit to Fetch Rewards for $2 back on the purchase of 2 Dove, and then $1 back each on the Axe deodorants. After all my Ibotta and Fetch rebates, it's going to be a $4.03 moneymaker. And again, if you're not already signed up for Ibotta, you can sign up with the description box link down below. And then for Fetch, you can also sign up for Fetch with my link down below or code 7YTUA when you sign up. This week, all detergents are on sale for $2.99. And I got a excellent CRT, and if you held on to some printable coupons from a few weeks ago, you are going to get yourself a great deal on all detergent this week. So on sale for $2.99, I'm going to pick up 2 of them, and I'm going to use a 2 off 2 all CRT, which will take my total down to only $3.98. And then I'm going to use 2 $1 off 25-cent all coupons that were available a few weeks ago on coupons.com. I'm going to be left paying only $1.48 for 2 of them, or about 74 cents each, which is definitely a stock-up price. If you've held on to the 3 off 5 Pepsi digital and printable coupons, it is a decent week to use them this week. The 2-liter bottles are on sale for 2 for $3.50. Otherwise, you can grab the 1.25-liter bottles for $1.59 each. Grab 5 of them. It's going to tell you $7.95. You're going to use a 3 off 5 printable coupon that was available from coupons.com a few weeks ago, and then you're going to pair that in with a 3 off 5 digital coupon that will glitch and come off as well. You're going to be left paying $1.95 for all 5 bottles, or about 39 cents per bottle, which is definitely a great deal. Thank you guys all so much for tuning into this week's CVS video for December 5th through 11th. Drop down in the comment section down below what your favorite deal of the week was. Make sure to open up the description box to print the new printable coupons and sign up for any rebate apps that you are not already signed up for. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notifications, and also check me out on TikTok at kaylakoupons.